Čau, draugi, mēs spēlēsim Garden Batman 3, labi darām to. Pagāja ilgs laiks, līdz es izlēmu vienkārši ierakstīt. Vienkārši tas spēle ļoti karsts, kad tiek uz atmiņām, bet šoreiz es zinu, kad izdosies. Labi, draugi, šis, protams, turpinājums. Labi, es jau zinu, kas jādara. Vienkārši jāpaņem 2 baterijas, tad došu uz augšu. Jā. Bērns runā tagad. Nopietni. Labi, re, kur pirmā baterija. 1 ir. Tagad otrā.
Also, again, I apologize for hitting you over the head. In fact, it is for this reason that I believe we should not meet face to face. You see, for whatever reason... Šito
bateriju nevar paņemt vēl šito gan, jo viņi laikam to jau sen uzlikuši. Tā, tad jāpagaid, ka viņš beigs runāt, un tad varēšu paņemt. Varētu tikai vienu bateriju paņemt pagaidām.
There are many floors below us, but they've all remained closed and abandoned for quite some time now. So just make sure not to fall. As for your children, I don't know exactly where they're being kept, but I know someone who does. Head to the aquatic sector. That's where he resides.
Beidzo var paņemt. Manai pultī, protams, vajadzēja baterijas. Labi. Tagad mans draudziņš ir apakaļ. Tagad man viņi dabūt to keycard, un, protams, tad vajadzēs dabūt visus crayons, un tad ielikt tos iekšā tur, un tad vienkārši lai noskanē. Jā. Re, kur tieši tur bija vajadzīgs ielikt crayons. Protams, ja es izmantošu keycard ātrāk, protams, nenoskanēs ka nav crayons. Man viss crayons jāpņem. Tagad, draugi, man noskanēs darbu. Nu, vai ir viss pareizi, vai nav vairs crayons? Korekto! Yes! Vēl paņemšu keycard. Tagad dosimies pa metro, jo tas nav līdz, bet metro noteikti. Labi, esmu tagad te. Labi, draugi, tagad esam pie Stinger Flame. Nu ko, Stinger Flame, ko tu teiksi?
You've had a rough day. can tell. You would diligently wait for the moment you leave this wretched place with your child in hand. I can also tell. Not to undermine your efforts, but I fear that moment may never come. I cannot let it happen, and I will gladly show you why, but after I do, you take my advice. Leave this place while you still can. Erase it from your memory. Move on and forget any of this ever happened, and I promise you, tomorrow will be a better day.
Neiztiec man no taustakļiem, nē! O, tagad esam pludmalē.
Welcome to my home. Or at least, what was supposed to be. Down in the dark and cold depths of the facility. The circumstances force you to do things that are out of your nature. When I feel that I'm straying too far off my original course, I head to the room I found me meditating in to regroup. I come into this place, and then I'm reminded that what I'm fighting for is worth all of this pain and suffering. Of course, none of this is real.
Ko tu lūri?
I have never had actual sun rays touch my skin. Can you imagine that? And I yearn for the day that they finally do. I need the children to achieve that. But do not worry. I will practice the safest of procedures. Whatever I decide to do with the adults, I will make sure to keep one alive and sane so that the surviving children are delivered to the surface safe and sound. And of course, to deliver me to where I choose to be. Oh, to live this simple life of a completely brainless shellfish. Just munching on shrimp and avoiding getting eaten by turtles all day.
Paga, tev tā mašīna? Tur mašīna, tu vispār nevar tur ielīst.
I admire your courage, so I'm giving you the chance to walk away. Take it. That way you don't lose both your life and the chance to see your child.
Kur es tagad esmu?
No liver, no intestines, but most
Vai kāpēc tur viena lieka poga?
no pancreas.
You, sir, need to have more organs. What am I supposed to eat when there's nothing to eat? Guess I'm going to have to look elsewhere.
Paldies, ka pažēloji man, vecīt. Tu esi labs cilvēks. Esmu stingrafliņ, bet tikai maziņāks. Wow, labi pamēģināšu, ko tās pogas dara. Labi. Wow, tas tik forši, es varu elektrizēt. Un augstu lekt? Wow. Labi, man tas paga. Es atrodos tajā vietā, kur es biju otrajā daļā. Jo tas man atgādina. Jā, es esmu tieši tajā pašā vietā. Wow! Jā, draugi, esmu te pat. Labi, draugi, sāksim raundu. Nopietni tajā pašā vietā atkal un atkal. Labi, draugi, sāksim otro raundu. Šoreiz ir savādākās vietās. Labi. Labi, draugi, sāksim trešo raundu. Labi, draugi, beidzot izgājām šo pūzi. Tagad var iet beidzot tālāk. Ah.
You are not
Paga.
one of
Slow Celine?
You
Oh,
are
Slow
not-
Celine there! Yes!
You need to hide. They are coming.
Jā, viņi izgaisa. Labi, draugi. Es tikām te tagad, un tad es pieliks uz krābandēgām. Nākamā video Gun Bun 3. Čau, draugi, mēs pasim Gun Bun 3, labi, darām to. Mums jādabū visi spāņi, labi. Pirmais, otrais, trešais, ceturtais. Labi, uzlikšu savu sniegumu, vēl nav visi. Sestais, septītais. Uzlikšu savu sniegumu. Astotais. Devītais. Labi, atkal uzlikšu savu sniegumu. Desmitais. Uzlikšu savu sniegumu, laikam tas ir viss. Jā. Labi, atvers un dabūju blue key card. Labi. Tagad spēlēs minigame. Tur jālec pareizi pie krāsām. Labi, draugi, tev būs jādara otrais rauns. Labi ir. Un atvērās durvis. Labi, tie nekā nav. Vēl nav
What
nekas
happened
jādara
to
tur.
you is
Labi,
one of the
došos
Singer's
tad uz
List
citu
fix.
istabu kaut ko.
You left for the progressive sector, but we have something more important to deal with right now. See Nabnab's room? It's open now, which means he's inside. He's on the hunt, and it's too dangerous to do anything in this state. We have to deal with him. Luckily, I have a solution, but you won't like it. Head to the medical sector and we'll talk there.
Labi, sapratu. Tagad, draugi, būs atkal jādara vēl viens minigame.
When Nabnab escaped, it wasn't long before workers started to disappear. Of course, precautions and trading can only get you so far, so we had to think of a more permanent solution. Nabnalina was that solution. We had a theory that Nabnab was as aggressive as he was due to his loneliness. We never got to prove this theory right, as the collapse happened during the surgery. That's where you come in. You'll be carrying out the final steps of said surgery. Juvenium-related procedures are very delicate, so I'm going to need you to pay very close attention to these instructions. The hard part is already done. All you need to do is mix the right concentrations and inject her with it about 6 times. The machine with the droplet symbols is where that's done. When it's timed, the screen will light up with the symbol of the needed concentration. For simplicity, the concentrations have been represented by colors. Mix and achieve the right concentration, then collect it in the syringe and give it to Nabnalina. The machine with the colored pipes will occasionally shift to the wrong colors, and when that happens, use the given tongs to revert them all to their normal.
Tur viegli var apjukt.
The buttons on the walls will also malfunction at times. When that happens, hit any ones that are lit with your drone. The excess juvenium that you can find in the room will deplete when anything malfunctions or when a concentration is needed to be delivered. The procedure stops if any of the 4 depletes completely, and what happens next is never good. Only the best of us perform juvenium procedures, but we don't have much of a choice. Good luck. I hope that wasn't too hard. Anyway, grab the audio disc and head back to the audio sector and play with the big speaker in the lounge. Time for a spider.
Labi izdīt, tagad es jūs apakaļ uz to vietu. Un te kaut kāds bāga, kad neparāda snabnums, tur vajadzēja parādīties snabdabām un namnu līnijā, bet karas, nezinu, ne karas, bet īstenībā bāgas kaut kāds. O, čau, kā tu viet? Stingrufeni. Ne jau atkal tev sātnīs, vecīt.
An old friend needs you a lot more than I do. They too are on a path to achieve peace of mind. I already have more than enough subjects to move forward with my aspirations and my ultimate mental refinements. You just take a little nap while I transfer you to where you're meant to be.
O, mēs esam izbraucienā, draugi.
You're finally awake. Can't blame you for taking a nap. Feels like we've been in this car forever. So, Stinger, when are we arriving at this place called Beach?
I believe we are lost.
Un namnams mums sako, tas ir tik savāds sapnis. Tur ir Banbans, Stingerflin, Abdilbird un Captain Feroz. Visi tur ir draugi, tas ir tik savādi, viņi pats kā draugi. Un viņš ir tā kā radio.
That's what I'm talking about. Philo, what do you think about this? Awesome. Captain, what about you? Captain? Okay, decent, Captain.
Can you stop vocalizing for just 1 second so I can focus on the road?
What do you mean focus on the road? We've been going in circles for hours. Never trust a jellyfish, am I right, Apila?
Vecīts, skaties uz ceļu, mēs sabērēsim tevi dēļ, draugs. Redzi, es stāstīju patiesību. Ir vēl viena atmiņa kaut kāda. Vai sāpnis. Tas ir, varētu būt sāpnis tam atmiņa, jo viņi taču nav draugi. Jo viņi taču nevar būt ārā no kindergarten. Labi, draugi, šī puzle ir kā grūta. Jep, es zināju, tā kur tas. Un tur var uzlikt raundus, labi.
Finally!
Un re, kur vēl viens minigame.
I was getting really bored, and that fella over there isn't much of a talker. Plus, it's scary here. That big green guy keeps checking in on us. I think he believes we're some sort of dolls. We could use that to our advantage to try and escape. He cannot know that we're alive. Every time we move or change something in the room, let's make sure that it's back to the way it was before he checks in on us again. This way, we can inch our way towards escaping, all while he doesn't suspect a thing. In other words, from his point of view, the room must remain unchanged. When he's close, the lights change color, so run back to your chair when the lights change. I don't know where to start though, so you give it a try.
Labi, draugi, jūs jau redzat visu laiku uzaugu timelapse, jo tas ir ļoti ilgi. Tu man šoreiz nenoķersi tos, un tu Jumbo Josh. Nekā nebūs skolotāji, tad neuzrakstīs neko. Beidzot izdarīju. Vēl viena puzle, draugi. Bija grūta puzle, draugi, bet to izdarīju. Oh no, man. Tas būs slikti, draugi. Tas ir boss. Bossa līmenis. Viņš ir kā grūts, jo visu laiku man trāpa mēli, tādēļ es nomirstu. Tādēļ, varbūt es to, protams, un šitienes uzvarēšu. Beidzot, draugu, uzvarēju.
Gray stones with
Tagad vajag
thunder.
kā Bowman darīt.
Gray stones with thunder. Hand over your pancreas. Ready for the band. Hand over your pancreas. Gray stones with thunder. Hand over your pancreas. Gray stones with thunder. Ready for the band. Gray stones with thunder. Open sesame. Ready for the band. Ready for the band. Gray stones with thunder. Hand over your pancreas. Ready.
Tagad, draugi, es aizbiedēšu to putnu. Un tad paņemšu nozīmē, ka nāks tagad tēvs viņa. Un man būs uz viņa jālas, lai brauc.
Okay, bird riding is a new one, I'll give you that. What drives you forward so vigorously? I refuse to accept it as your protective parental instincts. Oh, I know. Someone has given you false hope, promised you what you want when all along they had one thing on their mind, pancreases. At first, I was confused by how everything was going perfectly in your favor, despite you never being here before. And then it hit me. Someone has to have been guiding you. And as with most things, I was right. You did have help. Your friend here has helped me tremendously. Thanks to him, I bore witness to very vital information. What information, you ask? Well, when my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
Atkal bossa līmenis jādara. Labi. Kas notiek vispār Banbanam? Tagad viņš mums uzbruk. Ko Stingls viņam izdarīja?
You can run away, but the smell of your pancreas will always draw me to you.
Wow, kas tagad notiksim? Cīnīsies? Jā, piebeidz viņu, viņam jāsamaksā, ko viņš izdarīja. Un Stingleton arī uzbruks, Jumbo Josh.
Stop it, you two.
Labi, nezinu, kurš uzvarēja. Mēs tikai pūtnu esam 2-1. Labi, dosimies kopā piedzīvojumos. Find the kingdom, find the sheriff. Do not let Jester find you. Labi. Labi, draugs, paliek uz krāvu, nekas nākamajā video, Gun Band 3.